The object of working with SHEEE is to come into oneness with the universe. I believe this exercise, this set of movements, does it really, really beautifully. In fact, I always end this session with a feeling of great happiness and peace. It's called synchronizing with everything, synchronizing with the energy of the universe. And it's an exercise that involves 2 in-breaths and 2 out-breaths. So we breathe in when we start in this position, and then breathing out we make a SHEEE sound. Then we take one leg outwards, and on the same side we raise the hand upwards, making an exhaling a WHOO sound. So the second inhalation has happened when we are on our knees, and the second exhalation is intended to make the WHOO sound. Now the sounds SHEEE and WHOO trigger the spleen and the gallbladder, which are right there in the center of the torso, and this exercise is extremely good therefore for the blood, for the digestive system, and what have you. But energetically it's a wonderful exercise, because what you're doing is you're usually doing this exercise at the end of a session, and you energize the upper, the middle and the lower body, all the meridians, and now you are through the fingertips, as you've seen exercise earlier, taking the energy outwards and building spheres of energy around you. In fact, as you build this sphere, you're going to be creating a bubble of energy, a very beautiful bubble in which you're going to spend the rest of your day. So it's an exercise where you can even visualize white light around you and stay in this white light cocoon, which intensifies your energy shield, builds your immunity, and makes you a more wonderful person for the rest of the day.